Boost compressor. After increased speed due to the air pressure, fuel amount is control. When black smoke happen, adjust engine load RPM with special tool. Special tool help you to untighten the stopper. Counterclockwise, increase flow. Counterclockwise, decrease flow. If black smoke happens when load is applied with lease air, reduce boost compressor flow. However, readjust the position when black smoke is reduced but the power is also reduced. Overall flow control. Before adjust flow, check machine load and adjust injection timing. Too much fuel will cause black smoke. In its condition and adjust the flow 45 degree. Use special tool. Counterclockwise, increase flow. Counterclockwise, decrease flow. Booster flow adjust. When RPM is not stable in idle or auto-idle mode, start the machine and adjust slowly. If it's still not corrected, exchange middle stopper spring. 3 kinds of spring tension is written. Higher the number, stronger the spring. A23, A16, A9. A9 is best for the balancing. Original A23 need to be replaced with A9. Overflow valve. Can't maintain 2 bar when there is leakage. After long time engine stop period, we may have problem in the inner valve. Check valve. Easiest way to check is touch it with your mouth and check whether it is stuck on the mouth. Strainer. When engine start is low or low performance due to the contamination, clean the straining. Must clean strainer before exchange fuel filter.
That's good.
Adjust injection timing. When engine normal, white smoke happen, on the high attitude, you can solve or reduce the problem by adjusting the injection timing slow or fast. However, too much change in injection timing will cause hunting. Untighten 4 nuts in the FIP. Must use special tool since it is too small. Push FIP toward engine will faster the injection timing. Injection timing means BTDC when the piston is TDC. Control lag. Control lag decide openness of the plunger to control the flow amount. Control lag gear and plunger wear will cause serious problem in the engine. If the control lag stuck while it is pushed, machine can't start. If the control lag is stuck while it is removed, RPM excessively go higher when machine start.